You are going to love the 2025 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.